The Colours of Me Song Overview. The Colours of Me is such an apt song to use when introducing the concept of similarities and differences to young children. It's a beautiful way of opening up the opportunity to discover our individual colours and unique differences. Often, as adults, we feel we need to be careful of drawing attention to differences, and so we sometimes skim over them quickly. As children develop, their sense of self grows, and they love exploring and noticing new things about themselves. We want children to know that it's okay to be them just as they are, with all their uniqueness. And also that being different doesn't entitle them to judge themselves as better than or worse than another child. Quite simply, they are different from. The song has been composed in a gentle style, and the phrasing, the shaping of the musical sentences, is quite short in order to support the children's breathing. It starts with an introductory section before progressing to the chorus. The verses can be either sung together as a group, with one child volunteering to be sung about, or once the children become familiar with the song, they might like to sing about themselves as a solo. You'll notice that the tempo, the speed, slows down a little during the verses in order to accommodate the child's singing. But alternatively, they may choose to speak the words in time with the backing, pointing or gesturing to the named body parts as they sing. Clearly, once the children know the song well, you could introduce different aspects to sing about, or even change the focus entirely to sing about, for example, the clothes I wear or the foods I eat. There are an infinite number of possibilities for you to explore. All the resources you see here are available to download. Be sure to watch this video right through to the end so that you can hear a short sample of the song's chorus. And so now let's turn to have a look at all these wonderful resources. Our resources are organised into 3 separate areas through the song. We have song delivery downloads, adult song support downloads, and child enrichment activities. So let's have a look at these song delivery downloads first. These are concerned with actually delivering the song itself. So we start with some spoken lyrics. You have a video where the first beat of the bar, the most important words are highlighted in the lilac colour. So if I just give you an example here, we go, there's only one way to tell you, that's to sing the colours of me. And it just helps you to know exactly where the lyrics fall within the underlying pulse of the beat of the song. And then we move into the sheet music guide. Now, this doesn't really matter whether or not you can read music. The idea of having the sheet music in front of you is rather like looking at a map of a journey you're about to take in the car. You don't necessarily need to drive the car, but it's always good to just see the most interesting points and the ups and downs of the landscape before you travel. And that's exactly the point of our sheet music guides. And we also have, obviously, the sheet music that you can download, and it also contains guitar chords in case you have somebody close by who can support you in the delivery. And then we move into having the backing track accompanying a set of video story slides. So the children can follow along to the song independently of you if you have the opportunity to provide them with perhaps an iPad or some digital means of following the song. And we also have the lyrics and backing tracks to go with it. So we have the downloadable lyrics on a PDF, and we have a backing track and a vocal track in MP3 form. The vocal track on this particular song uses an alternative lyric order, just to give you another example of the types of adjectives you can use through the song. And then moving on to adult song support materials. So these provide a little more background and depth and context to the song that you're about to sing. So in this case, The Colours of Me provides you with a curriculum overview, so you can follow the learning objectives that are embedded within the song and an aspect of diversity. And we also have song cards, which serve as a prompt. The children, in my experience, really like to see a selection of song cards pinned up during their song sessions, so they know very soon what songs will be included in the session because they can recognise the song cards. And going on, we've got a little more further resources for adult song support, a variety of activities and skin colours in this particular case for you to download to support your delivery of the song in another way. And then we move on to children's enrichment activities. So we've got a variety of instant activities that you can share with the children. And where can you find more of our resources? You can explore our website and sign up to our weekly email. That's musicbuds.org. You can find us on YouTube as Music Buds UK, or you can connect with us on Facebook or Instagram. So I hope you really enjoy the song and hope to see you back for more.